As I shared some tips to overcome self-doubt in my last video, I will be sharing 3 more tips with you today. The first one is, fearing criticism is fearing progress. When someone criticizes you or gives you a negative feedback, don't get disheartened, my friend. This world is full of 7.8 billion different people living on the same planet together. Expecting all of them to like you or understand your point of view is unfair. Just imagine Warren Buffett, the richest investor of the world, expecting Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor to give him right feedback on his investments. So what to do? We just need to find and associate with the right kind of people who resonate with who we truly are. When someone criticizes you, my friend, don't worry. Just introspect. See if there's something that needs to be fixed. Fix it. If not, keep on doing what you were doing. Have faith in God, universe. You will learn on this journey towards your goal what is the right thing to do when it's time. The second tip is, forward is progress and backward is learning. Accept setback as your new normal when you are on this journey towards your goals. Life is always 2 steps forward and 1 step backward. Have you ever observed a baby when he starts walking? He doesn't start running on the first day. He starts walking 2 steps forward, and in order to balance, he takes 1 step backward. And he keeps on walking that way till the time he gains momentum. Our life is always like that. When we are working towards our goals, we have to take 2 steps forward, and sometimes we fail. There is a setback and we move little backward. But if we get up again and keep on moving that way, we will also gain momentum and we will be able to achieve our goals. The third tip is, be your own number 1 supporter. It is very easy to expect support, encouragement, acknowledgement from others. But what happens to us? Why do we forget that we are also an individual and our pole matters? Rather, it matters the most. My friends, focus on those small things you have been doing towards your goals. Acknowledge those efforts. Encourage yourselves. You don't have anything to lose. You have an experience, be it of success or failure. So give yourself that boost of optimism. Tell yourself the things that you want others to tell you to increase your self-confidence. Use your I am affirmations. Write down your own I am affirmations. I am confident. I am improving day by day. I am a leader. I am becoming successful. My friends, read self-help books. Subscribe to this channel. Listen to more videos that motivates you. Listen to how successful people think. So at least, if not physically, you are virtually connected to their mindset. My friend, this life is yours. You want to sit and enjoy the ride sitting at the back seat, you can do that. But if you really want to take lead of your life, you have to come to the front seat and drive your life. At least take care of the things that are controllable. By focusing on yourself and overcoming these self-doubt thoughts. And in spite of these self-doubt thoughts, keep on taking action. And success is all yours. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day. Have a blessed life. Stay home. Stay safe.